If a lady want to conceive baby, then must try this pomegranate remedy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you a very effective pomegranate remedy for those couple who have planned to conceive a baby. But before that, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so that you never miss any latest upcoming video. Pomegranate juice fertility benefits are well known. Regularly consuming pomegranate seeds or juice has been found to improve fertility in both men and women. To include pomegranate in your daily diet, here is a remedy which couple should drink every day. Pomegranate and yogurt remedy. This is a very nutritious and tasty remedy consisting of all healthy ingredients. A couple which have planned to conceive baby should drink daily. It will be helpful for them. Guys, to make this remedy you need following ingredients. 1. A half cup of pomegranate seeds, a pinch of cardamom powder, a cup of thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of rose water, few pistachios and pomegranate seeds for garnishing. How to prepare? Guys, to make the remedy, at first grind the pomegranate seeds in a mixer and sieve the juice to remove the crushed seeds. Put the pomegranate juice, a cup of yogurt, a pinch of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of rose water and then 2 teaspoons of honey in a bowl and blend them with a hand blender or whisk until froth forms on the top. Pour this into glasses and garnish with a few pistachios and pomegranate seeds sprinkled on top. Drink it. It is for both male and female fertility. This is it guys. If you liked the video, then hit like button and share with others.